our all-time sales record, so we're ready to make videos that other dealers won't.
Shoes.
Me.
Oh, and look at my really cool boots. My combat boots. Yeah. Those are cool. I like them.
Oh shit.
Hey, I'm pouring. I'm gonna pouring.
Oh my god. Haley, don't be throwing right at me. John Haley.
Oh my god, I'm pouring.
It's raining rice.
It's raining red.
Shots, mother.
Small things. La la.
Love you. Love you. Lubieszka.
Oh. Oh, look at the rice. I've tried using my phone charger that I bought like a couple weeks ago or so, not too long ago. And it doesn't really work unless you bend it in the perfect position. So I'm actually gonna try to fix it. I know nothing about electrical stuff or whatever. I don't even know what it's called, but I might kill myself. I'm just kidding, but I'm just gonna cut this because why not? Right? Oh my god. It's one of those woven ones. They, on Instagram, they always try to advertise these and say they work. They do not work. I guess I didn't buy this one off of Instagram, but they don't work. I have to strip the wires, I think. 1 sec. That didn't work. I cut this part too short so I couldn't tie the wires to this. So, oh well. Oh. Stop worrying. It won't hurt.
As it blows up.
Did it pop?
No.
It just like. Oh my god. Fail.
Okay.
What the heck? You're broken.
Your arm?
That kind of hurt. Very fat. I died.
Obviously. Oh crap. Forgot about them.
Haley's first time winning ever.
Twice. Twice.
I lost.
Barry has 17.
I hate wearing makeup because then you can't itch your eyeball if it's itchy.
I swear to God.
We're playing Truth or Dare.
You don't look that horrible.
And Maya got
I
dared
just
to
picked
get her
your
makeup
colors.
done.
Oh god.
I'm gonna just smoke
it's
the
from
hot pink under your lash line just for the heck of it.
Pop rock thing. Yeah. Oh my god.